Cubase stands as a powerhouse in the digital audio workstation (DAW) landscape, renowned for its precision and depth in music production. Developed by Steinberg, it serves both beginners and professionals with a feature-rich environment suitable for composing, sequencing, beat-making, and recording. Cubase is celebrated for its robust MIDI capabilities and audio quality. The DAW offers a comprehensive suite of editing tools that provide fine control over both MIDI and audio tracks, making it ideal for intricate productions involving extensive layering and editing. Its key editor, drum editor, and score editor are particularly effective for detailed work, appealing to composers and producers who demand high precision in their workflows. The software's mixer is another standout feature, mimicking the functionality of a high-end studio console with support for numerous inputs and outputs, integrated EQ and dynamics, and the ability to handle complex routing schemes. This makes Cubase a favorite among sound engineers and producers who need to manage large and complicated projects. Cubase also includes a vast array of virtual instruments and effects, from realistic orchestral sounds to cutting-edge synthesizers and powerful audio effects. The diversity and quality of these tools enable users to achieve professional-grade productions without the need for extensive external plugins. Integration with external hardware is seamless, thanks to Steinberg's development of the VST standard, which ensures compatibility with a wide range of third-party plugins and devices. This interoperability extends Cubase's capabilities, allowing for a highly customizable setup tailored to individual production needs. For new users, Cubase might seem overwhelming at first due to its complex interface and multitude of features. However, Steinberg provides extensive documentation and tutorial videos that make the learning process more manageable. The community around Cubase is also supportive, with numerous forums and user groups where tips and techniques are freely shared. In summary, Cubase is a comprehensive and sophisticated tool, perfect for those who seek meticulous control over their music production process. Its blend of advanced features